Hi, I'm John McCormick. We're here in the Azure Pricing Calculator and we're going to take a look at reserved instances and what they can save you. So let's have a scroll down to the example that we used in the blog post of virtual machines. We have three virtual machines. They're EAS4V4, which is 8 virtual CPUs and 64 gigs of RAM. They're in the UK West region and running on SQL Enterprise. Now, if we look at the savings options down here, we have under this compute heading, we can go pay as you go, 1 year reserved, or 3 year reserved. So the compute cost is £995.66 here. The Windows cost is £600.66, and the software, which is your Enterprise Edition license, is £4,896.68. So that's what you're paying on a typical pay-as-you-go basis. If you click on the 1 year reserved button here and you choose to pay monthly, you can see that your compute costs have dropped to $587.31. Your Windows and your software licensing costs stay the same. So reserved instances don't get you any money off those, but you do save on the compute expenses. If you want to reserve for a little bit longer, just click the 3 year one, and you can see that that price drops further to £378.25. Again, your Windows license and SQL Enterprise license are exactly the same. So the saving is only on your compute, but it's still a significant saving. If you're going to be running a specific instance type for a period of a year or more, then it's a pretty good bet to go for a reserved instance. Scrolling down to the Azure SQL Database, here we've got an 8 vCore instance which is provisioned. So that's available all the time. Over the course of a normal month on pay-as-you-go, you can expect to pay £1,263.29. The compute part of that cost is the majority, it's £828.17. Again, just like above, we can click 1 year reserved and that will drop to £538.11. Or we can click 3 year reserved, it's £372.67. So the savings are always on the compute side. You're not getting any money off the licenses by going reserved. But if you know you're going to be using a certain number of machines at a certain class for a certain period of time, then reserved instances is a pretty safe bet. Bear in mind, if you need to exchange them for a higher reservation, you can do that at any time. And Azure also offers some refunds as well if you no longer need them, but you should check their terms and conditions for that. Okay, thanks for joining me today.